Three of the most important watercolor brush strokes. Number one, press, drag, lift. This is iconic for all leaves and florals and botanical paintings. You're starting with the tip of your brush and then you're pressing it and dragging it across the page and then lifting it. You can do this so that it has a pointed tip or a rounded tip, depending on whether you are painting leaves or petals. It's going to work the same. Next, we have press, drag, wiggle, lift. Again, this is pretty much the same thing. However, we're wiggling the brush side to side as we're dragging it, and this is just going to give the illusion of a serrated leaf or a wavy flower petal, depending on what you're painting. I love this brush stroke so much. I use it all the time. Last, we have C curves, which are exactly what they sound like. They are brush strokes that are in the shape of the letter C, and these are especially important for flowers like roses. Roses are just a bunch of C curves over and over and over again until your flower is as big as you want it. Then you can either do some press, drag, lift leaves or press, drag, wiggle, lift leaves. And there you go. Three of the most important brush strokes for the absolute beginner. I hope this helps. Happy painting!